What if your ads could write themselves and perform better than ever before? That's not science fiction anymore. In this video, we'll uncover the AI copywriting secrets that top marketers are using to create high-converting ads, emails, and landing pages, all in minutes, not hours. Good copy is the heart of every great marketing campaign. It's what makes people click, subscribe, or buy. But writing persuasive copy used to take years of experience, or an expensive agency. Now, I can generate professional-level copy faster than most humans. The trick is knowing how to guide it. So today, I'll show you how to write powerful, emotionally charged, and high-converting copy with AI, step by step. 1. Understand the psychology of persuasion. Before you let I write anything, it needs direction. Great copy isn't just words, it's psychology. Frameworks like AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action, and PAS, problem, agitate, solve, are what drive results. You can literally teach these frameworks to AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy.ai. For example, try this prompt. Write a Facebook ad using the PAS framework for a productivity app. The AI will produce multiple versions that follow proven human persuasion formulas. 2. Train AI to match your brand voice. Every brand sounds different: playful, serious, confident, or bold. Upload a few examples of your past copy to ChatGPT custom instructions or Jasper brand voice. The AI will analyze tone, pacing, and word choice, then generate new text that sounds like you. This ensures consistency across ads, emails, and posts, one of the hardest parts to achieve manually. 3. Use AI to A/B test headlines instantly. Instead of spending hours brainstorming, ask your AI to create 10 to 20 variations of a headline. Tools like Copy.ai, WriteSonic, and AnyWord predict which versions will perform best before you publish them. Imagine testing 20 ad headlines in under a minute. That's marketing superpowers. 4. Inject emotion and storytelling. The best ads make people feel something. AI can help, but you need to prompt it properly. Try this. Rewrite this paragraph to sound more inspiring and emotionally engaging. Tools like Pseudo-Write and Notion AI can amplify storytelling and help you turn plain facts into emotional journeys that convert. 5. Use AI analytics to refine your copy. Writing great copy is one thing, knowing it works is another. Platforms like Lavender.ai and Grammarly Business analyze your tone, clarity, and emotional strength in real time. They'll tell you if your copy sounds too formal, too robotic, or too flat, and help you adjust it for impact. AI won't replace human creativity, it enhances it. When you combine human insight with AI's speed and precision, your marketing copy becomes unstoppable. Start by experimenting with one framework, like AIDA or PAS, and feed it into your favorite AI writing tool. Then test, tweak, and refine based on data. The more you collaborate with AI, the more powerful your voice becomes. Because the future of marketing isn't human or machine, it's both.